Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Medilisk Lung Spray. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a lung spray. It cleans your lungs, so it helps with your respiratory system and mucus. And as you can see right here, they claim is that it is plant-based and bland, natural mucus removal support, respiratory comfort, supports clear lungs, and hypoallergenic and gentle. So as you can see, you just spray it in your mouth right here. So these are all plant-based, all natural. And as you can see, we have here in Amazon, and they're rated 3.7 out of 5 stars with 673 ratings. So let's go down here and see the reviews right here. So this person said that it is amazing. Order this stuff at your own work. Blah blah blah. The taste was pleasant. Just from a third bottle. So in this third bottle, the taste was very bitter and very bad. So maybe he got a bad batch. So this product really does work. The taste isn't bad. Debbie, it does not spray. It shoots a drop. I thought it was actually going to spray, but it doesn't. So that's not a huge red flag. Works great. Baffled. Blah blah blah. A plus. Lung spray works right away daily. So basically, this product seems very legit. So there are just a few red flags, which is the other one, saying that he got a bad batch. So maybe if you get a bad batch, you can just return the item or just complain. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and try this product out, I advise you to do it, since it seems pretty legit. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.